Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And today, guys, you have a nice sunset here, can't complain. And we're going to be talking about how loud the LZ0 3-liter DURAMAX engine is. And it came from the LM2, was the older version, and I had that on the blue AT4. That was the LM2, and that one was pretty good. It was very fuel efficient. The numbers were okay. It was 277 horsepower, 460 torque. This one's been upped a little bit, so now there's 300 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque. So now we'll discuss how loud this one is in comparison to my blue one, and you can go watch that video if you don't remember, but we're going to be showing you how the LZ0, how loud that one is on startup, and we'll give you a few revs as well. That way you get a good full picture and see if you can tell on camera how loud it is. So you guys can see we have the AT4 here as well, and we have the new setup on the ZR2 here with the hood popped. So without further ado, we'll start it up and we'll show you how loud it is. So hopefully you guys can hear that. I just wanted to give you a second there just so you could hear it. That's the startup and that nice diesel idle that we all love. So I'll let you hear it again, and then we'll give you a few revs and I'll let you hear those as well. Hopefully the camera does it justice. Okay guys, so hopefully you could hear that. Hopefully that came through the GoPro as well as it did in person, which I doubt, but hopefully you guys heard it well enough. I'll give you another here, a look at the idle sound, just so you guys can hear it, and then we'll wrap up the video. Okay guys, so that will do it for today's video. I know it was a short one. It was just kind of showing you how loud this one is. If you do want a comparison, we did film on the 22 blue refreshed AT4. Jump over to that video, see how that one sounds. I think this one sounds pretty similar, maybe a touch louder, but that's just probably because I forget what the other one sounds like. So I'd say they're about the same. But the numbers are a little bit better, and we will see you all in the next video. Drop your comments down below. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know if this video helped you out a little bit to see what this engine sounded like. But guys, it's nice hearing that diesel idle, and we'll see you all. We have tons of new content. We'll see you guys all in the upcoming videos.